Wait a minute.
Now I'm starting to record.
I'm scared. Hold on, I'm scared.
Introduce yourself. What you doing, nigga?
Oh, I think it's supposed to be more in there. That's enough.
Alright, let her ass burn.
For real? Because me and Angel didn't even have that much. Okay. Oh, come on. Wait a minute. Oh, Sierra, this is your fault. You said you're going to do it, not Sierra. No, I said if Amanda do it, then I'll do it.
Let's go back. It was over 50 likes.
Yeah. She got more. She got more than 50.
Alright, come on.
Come on.
And don't spit it out. We know if you fake it, you don't have to do it again.
Guys, you're taking too long. Come on. Ready? Spit. What is wrong with her? Get on the grass. Get in the grass.
Swallow it.
Ew.
Good God Almighty. Go get out of the water.
My feet cold.
Okay, look.
Oh.
Drink the water, nigga.
Oh. Get in the leaves.
Hey, you better be glad it's coming out your mouth and not your ass. You know, can't you do it on yourself?
Oh, God, get in the grass.
Brianna, I swear to God, she in the grass.
I'm in the leaves. You know what I'm trying to say.
I come on my house.
So they got hard at the bottom.
That's nasty. It is cold. Woo, grab him.
I have to pee so bad.
Go ahead and Dougie. Ooh.
I gotta pee.
What's your mouth still burn?
God, that shit was nasty.
You got chunks in your mouth. All right, and